Hello, it's James G here. It was a little clip about a chimney up in Sandown Road. It's actually, what is it, Rich Hill, 34, 36, just off the Sandown Road up beside where it joins a knock carriageway there, which they had to be taken down.
We can see here that these two chimneys are being demolished, when in actual fact, as you can see, they haven't been long built. So
yeah, well, you can sort of see there's a few cries for help there with the, people putting different cement and stuff in. The two of them were built with lead trays, with no expense spared. Some builder told them if we put these lead trays in, that will be the end of the problems.
There's one done. What time is it? 2 o'clock? 10 past 2?
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get this other one done, wiped out.
So there's one done for 2 o'clock, and there's a granular insulation on it. But this is also the lead here. This is a serious amount of money here on lead. Each one, scrap value is about £65 each, and they're all welded up properly. The amount of work went into these, trays, and yet, it was all for nothing, because it didn't cure it, because it's money. The problem was inside the house.
4:30. There's two chimneys down, and well, we're taking the scaffolding down. Be away for 5, I'm sure. Still no sign of that light, no? Yesterday morning, with two chimneys here, which these two particular chimneys were actually taken down. Well, sorry, they were built and then taken down. They were built with full lead trays. They were knocked down, rebuilt with full lead trays, which is sort of like a bit of a lesson for all these people that just don't believe in thermal bridging, because basically all this money was spent, and as soon as I got the two chimneys rebuilt, I had exactly the same problem. There's a lesson for everyone there. If you've chimney problems, I would take heed.
Okay, this is James G. Signing out here. I hope you enjoyed it.